What's up? This is Casey from Casey's Customs, and today is a great day. How are you doing? Are you doing great? I'm doing great. Why, you ask? It's because I finally got my engine for the Tugadoo back from the machine shop.
That lovely. Hey, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, must have heard around. How that sound, yeah, that sound good. Break it down, I saw Wendy's in your town. Don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound, yeah, that sound good. Tell them get in line. Hold it down. Came up from the under.
These cylinders have been at the machine shop for over 2 months. That's pretty ridiculous. Usually they get them back in a couple days. They had some problems with them. They didn't have 2 months worth of problems, if you know what I mean, but they did have some problems with them. You can tell by the discoloration how much more trouble this cylinder was versus this one. We ended up boring these 50 over. This one was so chewed up, even after we went 50 over, it wasn't cleaned up enough. So we needed to re-sleeve it. The sleeve got stuck. He apparently had to heat this whole thing up to get the sleeve out. It still didn't come out, so he ended up actually having to bore the entire sleeve out, which is, he's been doing it for 30 years. He said he's only had to do that a couple times, so it's a real pain in the ass. But, long story short, we finally got him back. I have a full rebuild kit for it. I also have a carb rebuild kit for it. So, we're going to get started on that. Oh, we're also going to make a new tow hook, fishing hook, winch hook, whatever the hell you want to call it for the Tugadoo. I'm going to probably get started on that first, and then we'll dig into this motor. Let's go! So, the Tugadoo needs a big tow hook at the end of it. It just has a little winch hook on it right now. I don't like it. It needs a big cartoonish one. I got one coming on Amazon, but I think I'm going to try and make one real quick while I'm waiting on that one. If this ends up sucking, I'll just use the one from Amazon. But for now, let's throw some shit inside. Also, anytime I get to forge, I'm happy because I'm not a blacksmith, but it's a good time. So, let's do some shit. Close! It's so pretty! Now we gotta figure out how to attach it. So I was originally gonna make my own hook, or my own hook end, I guess you would call it. But I think I might be able to just cut this off and weld that to it. It's steel. Let's try that. Before I start trying to make this loop, which is gonna be a pain in the ass. Fuck, I'm confused! What a pain in the ass that is. I don't hate it though. Oh, that's perfect. I fucking love that. Ah, it makes me so happy. Oh, look at the size of that fucking hook. That is just cartoonish as shit. Ooh, is that cable getting hot? Oh no. Easy, baby, easy. Oh, I don't want that cable to get hot. Fuck. My dumb ass didn't think about that. Ow! Why do I keep touching it? God damn it. I fucking love that shit. That is so stupid, but I love it. Today is an exciting day. Finally picking up the motor. Ooh, a Mustang. '66 Mustang. We're picking up the motor for the Tugadoo. It's been at the machine shop for over 2 months. I told him on Monday I was picking it up on Friday whether it was done or not, because I'm tired of waiting on it. So he told me it would be done by then. So I'm either picking up a finished motor or I'm picking up a motor that's going to have to go to another machine shop. I'm super excited about that, but I am happy to get my motor back regardless, because this is kind of getting out of hand. I mean, the summer's basically over now, so I kind of pissed away the whole summer waiting on this motor. So, let's see what happens. We got him. Finally. I'll show you how crazy it is here in a second. So, the first thing you always do whenever you have a gasket kit is you start kind of double checking stuff. Making sure everything looks right. The way I ended up finding out that the previous owner of this jet ski ordered the wrong kit was I started to rebuild it, and then I realized none of my gaskets matched. Well, at that time I realized that he was an idiot and he ordered the wrong shit. So, I definitely don't want to do that again. I think I'm just going to kind of start dry assembling shit for now. Kind of go from there. I wonder if I should rebuild the carb first before I get all this shit put on here. I think I am going to rebuild the carb first. Fuck it. Because once I get these cylinder heads on here, it's going to kind of be a bitch to get all that off. So I might just do that while it's all off. There we go, we got our carb all rebuilt. Sweet. Brand new rubbers, brand new gaskets, a brand new filter on the inside of it. Let's get going on this motor now. Thank you guys very much for watching. We didn't get very far along on our engine rebuild. I did get the carb completely rebuilt, which that ended up being a lot more of a pain in the ass than I expected. Obviously, water-cooled stuff isn't quite as easy as just a carb on a dirt bike. So there's tons of little rubber pieces and O-rings and shit that need replaced, but we got all that knocked out. Everything looked really good, actually. Some of it didn't need replaced, so some of it I didn't have to, which was nice. But in the next video, make sure you stay tuned for the next video, because the next video will probably be just mostly building this engine and finishing it up. Also, we got the tow hook done, which I'm super happy with that. It looks like a cartoon. I mean, it's this big of a hook for no reason at all, other than the fact that it's hilarious and it's on a boat that means nothing. So, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. And check out some more of my other videos. And like I said, stay tuned for next week for, hopefully, the completion of this engine build. Peace! Think you guys know how it sound? I saw winnies in your town.
Hey, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirts now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, must have heard around. How that sound, yeah, that sound good.